Hi. Look. Okay. Nag-automatic nag-ako. Di na. Hello. Hi. Sir Bart. Bakit tumakabili? Rebound. By Sir Bart ulit. Sumalaksak. Ayaw. Gigil na gigil. Sundayo to Pagkunet for 2. And that same 2 points for Pagkunet. Anyano. Post up. Salceda has split. Turnover. Pagkunet grabbing the ball. Lampas tayo mga kaibigan. Anyano. Salceda for 2. Rebound by Gia to Sudarios. Sudario, pinasa kay Pagkunet. Easy 2 points for Pagkunet. Pagkunet pass now, 4 points mga kaibigan. At susubukang babawiin ng white team for 3. Ayaw talaga, hindi sila friends ng ring mga kaibigan. And that's a turnover from blue team. Yan po napapala pag yung team nyo nag-cheer. Apply. Apply for the pick. Natapik. Salceda bumangga. Naagaw. Pagkunet. Dashing like a snowman. Foul. Foul by number 3. Time out mga kaibigan. Unang tira. Agad-agad. Pangalawang tira. Lumabas. Ayaw papasok. Right pass. Anyano. Driving the ball. Ayaw. Pagkunet. When you step in at 2 points. Ang galing-galing talaga ni Pagkunet mga guys. Kasi that's an L1 movie. So, blue team has now 7 points and 0 points for the man. So white team. And that's a 3-point play from Pagkunet. Remaining time 7 minutes and 54 seconds. So settle with the pick. At pumasok ang tira ni Salceda. Sudario. Sudario with the pick. Ano ni Anyano? Anyano nagmamalilit. Pinipilit ka naman. At naagaw. Ayaw talaga ng pinipilit. Gia. Hindi sinagot. With a hustle. Anyano. Jump ball. White's ball. In the meantime, we have 7 minutes at 5 seconds. That was a surprise attack. Sa for three. Nasobrahan po ang lakas ni Salceda mga kaibigan. Kasi uminom siya ng Sting Energy Drink. Pag uminom ka ng Sting, magmumukha kang Cobra. Bakunet. Dumadami na po ang puntos ni Balconet. Buhat team ang peg. Anyano. To Salceda for Indecent. Di kami.
1, 2, bet.
Sudayo. Gia for three. Hey! Muntik na ma-ankle breaker mga kaibigan. And we still, blue team. Oh. White's ball mga kaibigan. Inbound. Nasa inbound lane si WJ. Sudah itu Balconet for 2. Score na naman ni Balconet mga kaibigan. Mukhang siya lang po ang nagpa-practice dito mga kaibigan. 12 points para kay Balconet. Muntik na malus po mga kaibigan. Anyano with a hustle sa laksak, pinilit, and it's a foul. White team has now 14 center shot clock. 2 free throws. Unang tira. Pasok. Pangalawang tira. Hindi pumasok. Kinulang. Pagkalit ng rebound. Sudayo. Inaantay ang mga kaibigan. Si Balconet. Nagmamali. Naagaw ni Anyano. Nahabol ni Balconet with a layup. And that was the smart move from Anyano. And that's the end of the 5 points. Ponferrada. Out of bounds. For the inbound, with a smart pass. What a grab. Mokoro. Buliser. What a palm shot from Buliser. 2 points agad mga kaibigan for the blue team. 9 points na po ang kalamangan ng blue team. Nagkasal nagkadala ng bola. Binabatayan siya ng maayos. Puro. Nagkasal bumangga with a fake. Ripalda for 3. And that 3-point shot is sponsored by Ray Grado. Sandino. At ayaw magpatalo ni Sandino. Sponsored by Sir Miting. Oquino for 3. Ayaw umabot. Jump ball. And that's blue ball. Score 17-8 in favor of blue team. Sandino, nothing but net. Oquino. Abuya with a rebound. Ayaw magparas ni Abuya at naaga mo. Well, smart move from Oquino. What a hustle. At naghahanap ng kampi, Macasil, and that's a foul. And magkakaroon po ng 2 free throws si Macasil, mga kaibigan. Unang tira. Pasok. Second shot. Pasok pa rin. Quadrada for reserve. Quadrada for 3. Macasil. Fast break. Reserve. Fouled by the number 10. Management timeout, mga kaibigan. Let's pause for a short break. Baka gusto nyo mag-pray. Okay. 40 seconds shot on left. The guy for the rebound. Oquino to Margallo. Easy 2 points. Higpit ng laban, mga kaibigan. Sandino. Rebound na Macasil. Macasil nagmamadali with a Quadrada. Sandino, spin move. And Sandino will go to the free throw line. Unang tira. Pasok.
Red team.
Pangalawang tira. Inspired mga kaibigan si Sandino. Kaya pumapasok ang mga tira niya. Ang ganda ng play ng Whiting, mga kaibigan. Pinag-isipan talaga ito. What a crossover. Out of bounds. Blue team's ball. Score 21 points para sa blue at 12 points naman para sa white. Time remaining, we have 1 minute and 15 seconds left. Now for the ball handling for Quadrada and Sandino. Sumukoro. Pinasok. Ayaw. Sandino. 9, 8, 7, 6. Oquino. driving the ball. What a nice layup from Coutinho. 24 seconds left remaining. Pinasok sa baba. Bulisel. Pinalik Abuya for 2 points. 30 seconds remaining, mga kaibigan. 30. 15 second shot clock. Ayaw. Sandino. 3, 2, 7, 6, and that's an out-bound move from Argalio. That was the end of the first. And the second quarter will now begin. Coutinho to Ripalda Binalik. 14 to shoot. 10, 9, 8, Makasil. Sandino for 2, ayaw pa rin mga kaibigan. Coutinho for 3. Rebound by Abuya. Sandino. Juan Ferrada. 15 to shoot. Ayaw, rebound by Realino to Makasil. Setting the play. Good, kaibigan. Time to shoot. Abuya, nagdadalang bola. Ferrada to Abuya. Ayaw pa rin mga kaibigan. What a nice defense. Ayaw pa rin mga kaibigan. And it's blue ball. Foul by Coutinho. Second personal foul. 13 shot clock. Foul by number 22. Sandino will go to the free throw line.
Simod.
Unang tira. Pasok na pasok. Pangalawang tira. Pasok na pasok mga kaibigan. Mukhang early na tulog si Sandino. Realino. Back to Makasil. To Coutinho. Ripalda with a fake and a floater. Hindi gumana mga kaibigan. Rebound. Back to Sandino. Abuya with a spin move. Binalik kay Bulisel. Binalik kay Sandino. Rotate kay Ferrada for 3. And nakuha ni Makasil. Nakuha ni Ferrada mga kaibigan. Ang titi ng laban. Back to Sandino with a crossover. And pinasa sa gitna and out of bounds. It's yellow ball. Time remaining, we have 7 minutes and 55 seconds left in our time. And for the second quarter, blue team has now 25 points, while white has now 16 points. Mga kaibigan, lalong patindi-patindi ng patindi ang laban. Rivalda to left Castle with a fake. 14 to shoot, mga kaibigan. 10 to shoot. 5. Rebound by Bulisel to Ponferrada. Nagbigayan lang sila, mga kaibigan, because that's what friends are for. Sharing is caring. So let's clap our hands and hep hooray, mga kaibigan. Now it's 7 minutes and 11 seconds. 15 to shoot, mga kaibigan. 10. 5. Good. Ponferrada driving. Easy to.
Mulay. Pareha na po na.
Hindi na tumabot.
Nabulos na yun. Mulay. Nabulos na yun, no?
Foul number 22, forcing number 7 to power slide. Unang tira ni Ponferrada. Butter. Pangalawang tira, ayaw pa rin, rebound by Tagami. Oquinho with a hustle play. Post move, rebound by Bulisel. Hustling to the center. Foul na po, mga kaibigan, nagkakabisikalan ako dito with any kinds of adult harassment, mga kaibigan, na nagtatagpo dito.
Marikit niya ang tilay na puriya po hapaw. Kaya ating kalarang.
Bulisel. Pasok na pasok. Pangalawang tira, rebound by Habuya with a hesitation, and that's an easy 2 points for Habuya. Smart play, mga kaibigan. Kaya, kumain kayo ng monggo, maging smart din kayo, mga kaibigan. Good hustle play, Binangga, Ayaw Sandino nakuha ang bulas, Sandino to Habuya. Foul. Ang daming lamok, kaya mag-offlosion na kayo, mga kaibigan. Foul by number 22. Third personal foul.
5 minutes.
Yeah. Warning for foul out, jersey number 22.
Pwede pa rin mag-captain. Pwede foul.
Pangalang tira, swish. Nagtututbrush palagi si Habuya. Makasih buat Buri, and nothing but net. That's a long two pala, mga kaibigan. Scratch that. Sandino for Buri, ayaw, rebound by Oquinho to well, nice move from Oquinho, and one move. foul by number 7. Hindi pumasok. Sandino to Ponferrada. Ponferrada, smart play. And that was a hustle play, mga kaibigan. To shoot. 10. Spin move ni Quinio. Ayaw. Nakuha ni Makasil. Sandino with a steal. To Habuya to Ponferrada. Nagbibigayan ang magkakaibigan. Time remaining, we have 4 minutes and 46 left in our second quarter, mga kaibigan. Score kami na 35 points para sa blue at 20 points naman para sa white. For P, Makasil, ayaw down the Rivalda. Back to Makasil for 2. Ayaw ba rin? Rebound by Habuya to Buliser. Kinakalma ang Buya, mga kaibigan. Buliser to Sandino. To Quinio with a spin move. And what an amazing shot para kay change run na po, mga kaibigan. And let's go back to the ball game. Aguyo to Sudayo. To Aguyo, hustle play, spin move, parang Lebron lang, hindi umabot. To Margallo, to Oquinio. Oquinio, pinangga si Buliser, 2 points and a foul. And 1, mga kaibigan. Ginagalingan talaga ni Oquinio, parang kay Woodruff na, mga kaibigan. Time remaining, we have 3 minutes and 50 seconds left. And napasok na pa, mga kaibigan, ang tuto ni Oquinio. Sudario, fourth shot. Rebound by Violino to Oquinio to Margallo. Smart play, rebound by Oquinio. Kinakarga ang team, mga kaibigan. Remaining time, we have 3 minutes and 28 seconds left in our clock. Balconet to Badidlis. Badidlis to Aguyo, pinangga. And that's it, a power move from Aguyo. Oquinio quits. And 1 na naman, ginagalingan. Pag gusto mong gumaling, mga kaibigan, uminom lang po kayo ng Milo. Katulad ni Sir Oquinio. And nothing but net. Bugay todo. Oquinio out, Anyano in. Pito na po ang kalamangan kaibigan. Balconet hustling to Buliser. Buliser 10. Traveling violation. Substitution rep. Police are out, Habuya in. Anyano, Tumakasil, taunting for 3, pero pinasa ka Anyano. Margallo for 3. Ayaw, rebound by Villalino. Mr. Bakeman for 2. Sudayo to Habuya for 3. And nagsasagutan po sila mga kaibigan ng 3. Umuulan na mga kaibigan. At kailangan po natin ng payong. Anyano, Billy. To Margallo for 3. Nakuulan talaga mga kaibigan at wala makakapigil. Sudayo nagdadala ng bola. Sudayo. Stolen by Margallo. Post move and back to Sudayo. Sudayo. Rebound by Dagami to Anyano. Foul by number 44. Shot clock mga kaibigan para sa white team. 13. Habuya ng Maladili. Foul by number 3. Second personal foul. Time remaining, we have 1 minute and 16 seconds left. Penalty. Habuya. Free throw. Unang free throw na pasok. Pangalawang tira ni Habuya. Pasok mga kaibigan! At masok na po ang kanilang superhero ng blue team, si Sandino mga kaibigan, wearing blue shirt and white red pants. Okinyo, 10 to shoot. Out of bounds. 7 seconds to shoot mga kaibigan para sa white team. Margallo to Anyano to Dagami. Minadali. And that was a foul. By number 6'9". Okinyo, unang tira. Unang tira ni Okinyo. Pasok. Pangalawang tira. Milo everyday okay. So, yakon pala yun. Sudayo to Sandino, what an easy 2 points. Pinag-isipan yun mga kaibigan overnight. 30 seconds remaining. What a move Dadami. Ayaw. Nakuha na naman ni Oquino. 5 to shoot. Shut up. What a nice pasensya ng mga kaibigan kasi minsan yung mic hindi gumagana. Back to the ball game. So, 9 sa susunod mga kaibigan. Natawalan po ang ating microphone. Oquino. 4-3. Ayaw. Rebound ba? Hindi na. Inaarasyo po sa ilalim. Degia. Degia 4-3. Tumama sa board. Lukay pada to Oquino. 4-2. Naghahanap ko ng foul pero walang foul mga kaibigan. Mokoro to Sandino, spin move, rebound, pero Ripalda to Oquino. Hello.
Nicolas! Gia to Sandino for 3, and that's 3 points for Sandino. Oquino for 3, at sinagot po Belisaire with a spin move to Gia, to Mokoro, 4-2, ayaw, rebound, Ripalda ng mamadali, hinahabol ni Abuya, Ripalda with a spin move, ayaw pa rin, nakuha ni Abuya, to Gia. Sandino, to Gia, to Abuya. Bakante daw siya mga kaibigan. Behind the back. 5 to shoot. Belisaire. 1 second remaining. Foul by pushing foul by number 12. Back to 14 seconds shot clock. Belisaire to Mokoro for 3. Lumabas. Oquino to Ripalda. Ripalda na mabanda for 3. Ayaw, rebound by Dagami. Binalik kay Ripalda. Nagaw ni Mokoro. Kabuya. Out of bounds, mga kaibigan. Gia, screening, Sandino, to Abuya, nabot pa to Mokoro, for 3, ayaw, out of bounds, blue team balls. Ten, 15 to shoot. 10. Saburen for 3. Pangalawang 3 sa po yun ni Saburen, mga kaibigan. Score, White King Bunham, 45 and 49. Pangalawang sa blue. Remain time with 6 and 8 minutes. Mokoro for 2 and that's in. Wala hassle from Mokoro. Sandino with a hustle for 2 back-to-back points po ang score nila, mga kaibigan ng blue team. Ripalda, easy 2 points. Six points na po ang kalamangan ng blue team, mga kaibigan. And we are now in our third quarter. Sandino, bang na bang para Sandino, 2 points, mga kaibigan. Sandino to Saburen for 3. Munting mapasok, rebound by Sandino to Mokoro to Boyser, setting the play. To shoot, spin move ni Abuya with a fake basket and 1. Foul by number 45. Number 45 has now first personal foul. 2 team fouls for the white team. Oquinho, muntik na binangga and easy 2 points for Oquinho. Wala hassle from Oquinho, mga kaibigan. Agulio to Ponferrada to Buliser to Ponferrada, easy 2 points, mga kaibigan. Margallo, foul, mga kaibigan. By number 7. Number 7 has now 2 fouls. Unang tira, Sablay. Pangalawang tira, Sablay pa rin, rebound by Buliser. Abuya to Ponferrada, lay up 2 points and 8. Foul by number 3. Pushing foul. At ayaw niyang aminin na pushing foul yun. Substitution naman. Cortez in, Kuya BJ in. Kuya BJ nagdadala ng bola. Margallo, Mañano for Curry. Hindi niya pasok. Substitution rep. Monverada, dala ng bola, Monverada, 2 points para kay Monverada. Ang galing ng floater.
Servo Coro, wala. Jersey number 12, Margallo. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by jersey number 8, wala pa rin. Servo Coro for 2. 6 points. Time out. Right. Serraniano, blue the ball. Pinapatay ng Servo Coro. Nagawan ng blue, Servo Coro. Open layup. 2 points. Once again by Servo Coro, jersey number 27. Jersey number 8. Servo Cortez, blue the ball. Pass to Serraniano. Number 3. Tuloy-tuloy. Lumayap. Wala. Pinamala sa white team. Servo Coro naman. For 2. 6 straight points by Servo Coro. 15 seconds shot clock. Jersey number 10 ng Lumayang masyadong malakas ang tira. Rebound jersey number 11. Servo Coro, dribble the ball. Jersey number 24, tuloy-tuloy. Pinasa kay Servo Coro. Wala. Rebound by ikot, traveling violation, white ball. Two minutes and 9 seconds remain, starting third quarter. Serraniano, pasok dun sa number 25, may nang tira, rebound ni Sir Balconet nabawa na lang. Pass to jersey number 7. 2 points by jersey number 7. Sir Sumaga. Jersey number 6. Sir BJ. Naribaw ni Sir Sumaga. Jersey number 7. Pass to Servo Coro. 361! Sayang! Jersey number 3, Serraniano. Dribble ball. What a move! Lumayap. Pasok ang tira ni Serraniano. Servo Coro. Dribble ball. Pass to Servo Coro. Jersey number 24. Dribble diskarte. 13 seconds shot clock. Servo Coro. Dribble diskarte. Nag-arap ang mapasahan. Servo Coro tumira ng 2. Wala na rebound. Si Serraniano. To shoot. 2 points by Servo Coro. Serraniano, dribble ball. 42 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. Grabe ang depensa ni Servo Coro. Nasundutan ang bola. Ngunit nakuha ng white team. Serraniano tumira na ng 2. Wala. Nakuha niya ulit. Tumira. Pasok ang punong tira ni Serraniano. 23 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. Servo Sumaga. Pass to Servo Coro. Binigay kay Servo Balconet. 10 seconds shot clock. Servo Balconet. Pass to Servo Coro. Open 3.
Wala. Nariwala sa Serpon Pelada for 2. Yes, sir! 2 points by Serpon Pelada. 3 seconds. 2, 1. Time! Zero Kenya, dribbling ball. Passing jersey number 12. Anthony of 222. Wala. Nariwala pa rin ang white. Jersey number 45. Tumera wala. Wala pa rin ang white team. 14 second shot clock. Serafeño pass to jersey number 22. 2 point by Serafada. Second shot clock. Serpan Conet. Pass to Sergio Dario. For 3. Mahina. Rebound by Sergia. 4 seconds. 2. Sergio Dario wala. Naribal pa rin ang blue team. Grabe ang asa ng blue team. Time to shoot. Serpan Conet. Sumalaksak. Lumayap. Wala. Masyado malakas na rebounds. Jersey number 45 na agad ni Serpan Conet. Tumira ng dos. Yes sir. 2 points by Serpan Conet. Serafeño. Messi move pass to Serpada. Bigay. Time to shoot. Jersey number 12. Pumeke. Umikot. Tumira. Pinasa pala. 4, 3, 2. Wala. Rebound by Sergia. Pass to Sergio Dario. Sergio Dario tuloy-tuloy. Wala na rebound Serafeño. Naagaw ni Seraguya. Umikot, lumiyap. Mahinang tira. Supal-pal yung tira ni Sergio Dario. Rebound by Serafeño. Serafeño dribbling ball. Pass to jersey number 35. Open left. Wala pa rin. Rebound ni Serpan Conet. Serpan Conet tuloy-tuloy to Seraguya. And 1 by Seraguya. Jersey number 45. Pasok ang bonus free throw ni Seraguya. Jersey number 6. Pass to Serpada. Jersey number 25 tumira. Supal-pal yung tira. 13 second shot clock. Two points by jersey number 45, Serge Sampere. Second shot clock. 10 seconds. Serhaboya. Dumidiskarte. Wala na rebound to Ser. 69. 2 points by jersey number 69. Serve for the please. Serve somebody. Pass to Ser. Jersey number 6. Traveling violation. Time out. Dario dribbling the ball. Dumidiskarte. Sergio Dario naghanap ng mga pasahan. Pass to Serpan Conet. Bigay sa gitna. Sergio Dario jump shot. 2 points by Sergio Dario. Palayo ng palayo ang kalamangan ng blue team. Serpada. Pass to Sergia, wala pa rin. Sergio Dario pass to Serpan Conet. Tuloy-tuloy, lumaya. Wala. Pero may tawag ang ating referee. Who's for ref? Jersey number 10. Illegal contact to the hand. Hindi pumasok ako ng tira ni Sir Balconet. Hindi pala pumasok ako ng tira pero nakuha niyang rebound. Sir Balconet for 2 points by Sir Balconet. Sir Ablay dribbling the ball. Sir Ablay nagana mga pasahan. 15 seconds shot clock. Sir Ablay ito yung wala. Masyado malakas yung tira Sir Ablay. Sir Balconet. Coast to coast layup is good by Sir Balconet. 89-59 in favor of blue team. Terlenta na po ang kalamangan ng blue team. Sir Cortez for 3. Mahinang tira Sir Cortez. Rebound by Sir Gia. Sir Gia dribble the ball. Pass to Sir Sodario. 15 second shot clock. 12 second shot clock. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 2 points by Sir Keith, jersey number 17. Sir Nagami, jersey number 10, winning the ball. Tumiskate at nag-ball nga si Sir Balconet. Substitution. Jersey number 24 out. Jersey number 7, Sir Subaga in. 14 second shot clock. Time remaining 4 minutes and 56 seconds sa ating fourth quarter. Rebound by Sir Gia. Pass to Sir Sudario. Sir Sudario nagsiset up the plays to Sir Subaga. 2 points, wala pa rin. Rebound by Sir Nagami. Sir Nagami out of bounds. Sir Sudario dribbling the ball. Sir Sudario nag-set up the play. Wala, sayang. Nabitawan ng pasa. Sir Pada dribbling the ball. Naghahanap ng mga pasahan. Pinasa. Out of bounds na naman ng white team. Sir Sudario dribbling the ball. Nagsiset up ang play Sir Sudario. Wala pa rin. White team. Pass to Sir Ablay. Sir Ablay open layup. Wala pa rin. Talaga Sir Ablay na naman. Sir Ablay crossover. White step. 2 points by jersey number 6, Sir Ablay. Sir Sudario, nagsiset up na naman ang play. Pass to Sir Gia. Titingnan kaya ng 3. Binalik ni Sir Sudario. 8 seconds shot clock.
Fire training Pedrosa. Fire
Sir,
training
please.
UI. Fire training Carabis. Fire training Mantilla, sir.
Sir Rodolfo. To Sir Cortez, 2 points by Sir Cortez. Sir Sudario.
Tapos yung 4, sir.
Naano bola.
Yung logistics, sir.
Sir Tagami. Sir Tagami. Last touch. Bola ng blue team. 2 minutes and 50 seconds.
Sir Gia dribbling the ball. Pass to Sergio Dario. Sergio Baga for tulong, wala. Wala pa rin.
Sir, by training in the somebody. Just permission to proceed, sir.
Second test for 2. No good. Remember Sergio Baga, pass to Sergio Dario. Second shot clock. Last 2 minutes. Sergio Dario for 3. Wala. Rebound to Sergio Tagami. Sergio Tagami nagmamadali. Pass to Sarablay. Masyadong malakas yung tiro sa Sarablay. Rebound to Sergio Cortez. Tumira. Wala pa rin. Rebound ulit. Pass to Sarablay. 2 points na naman by Sarablay. 4 points na si Sarablay. 1 minute and 22 seconds remaining. Starting last and final quarter. 10-second shot clock. Sergio Dario. 5 seconds. 4, 3. Sergio Dario. Wala pa rin. Kali ko second test. Second test. Tumira ng cross. 2 points by second test. 50 seconds remaining. 40 seconds. 25 seconds. 5-second shot clock. Serve this. 3 points by jersey number 69. Serve Badidlis.
Dream shake.
20 seconds remaining. 15 seconds. 8 seconds. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.